What's up, everybody? It's Alex, and today we're diving deep into the world of online money making. That's right, we're talking about how to turn your time and skills into cold, hard cash, all from the comfort of your own home. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. We're going to explore some exciting ways to become your own boss and rake in the dough. We're going to be looking at everything from freelancing to drop shipping, affiliate marketing, content creation, and even online tutoring. We'll break down each method, show you how it works, and give you some real talk about the earning potential. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom, buckle up and let's get started. First up, we're talking about freelancing. This is a fantastic way to monetize your skills and become your own boss. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there's a huge demand for freelancers online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect you with clients from around the world who need your expertise. The best part? You set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. No more boring office meetings or soul-crushing commutes. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, be it your couch, a coffee shop, or even a beach in Bali. Now let's talk about the earning potential. As a freelancer, your income is directly tied to your skills and the effort you put in. You can start small with gigs paying a few bucks and work your way up to high-paying projects that bring in thousands of dollars. Remember, consistency is key. The more you build your portfolio and reputation, the more valuable you become in the freelance marketplace. Don't be afraid to hustle, network, and deliver exceptional work. It's all about building a brand for yourself and showing clients why you're the best choice for their projects. And hey, if you're not sure where to start, there are tons of free resources online to help you develop your skills and find your niche. You can find courses on everything from web development to social media marketing, writing, and more. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner entrepreneur and start building the freelance career of your dreams. Next up, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. This is where things get really interesting because it's all about earning passive income. Imagine waking up to money in your account even while you were sleeping. That's the power of affiliate marketing. So how does it work? It's simple. You partner with brands and promote their products or services to your audience. You get a unique affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can promote products you genuinely love and use yourself. Whether it's fitness gear, beauty products, online courses, or software, there are countless opportunities to find affiliate programs that align with your interests. You can promote your affiliate links through various channels like your blog, social media, YouTube channel, or even email marketing. The key is to provide valuable content to your audience and recommend products that genuinely benefit them. Now you might be thinking, is this really a sustainable way to make money? The answer is a resounding yes. Successful affiliate marketers can earn a substantial income, even 6 or 7 figures annually. It all comes down to building a strong online presence, establishing trust with your audience, and promoting products that offer real value. Remember, honesty and authenticity are key in the world of affiliate marketing. Promote products you believe in, and your audience will reward you with their trust and purchases. Now let's talk about dropshipping. This is another fantastic way to start an online business without breaking the bank. Unlike traditional e-commerce, you don't need to hold any inventory. That's right, no more warehouses full of products. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping. You simply create an online store, list products, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping is the low barrier to entry. You can start your own online store with minimal investment, focusing on marketing and customer service. You don't have to worry about inventory management, packaging, or shipping logistics. The profit margin in dropshipping can be quite attractive. You set your own prices and earn the difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price. Of course, dropshipping comes with its own set of challenges. You need to find reliable suppliers, ensure product quality, and handle customer service effectively. But with careful planning and execution, dropshipping can be a lucrative online business model. It's all about finding the right niche, sourcing high-quality products, and building a strong brand that resonates with your target audience. Let's talk about content creation, one of the most exciting and fulfilling ways to make money online. If you're passionate about something, whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, fashion, or anything else, you can turn that passion into a profitable online business. Content creation is all about building an audience around your interests, monetizing your content through various avenues, like popular ways through YouTube, creating engaging videos, building ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The key is to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Think about what you're good at and you're passionate about. Others will decide for your followers. YouTube is just the tip of the iceberg. So create content through blogging, podcasting, social media, courses, CEOs, channels, Finally, let's talk about online tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject or skill, you can share your knowledge with others and earn a decent income. Online tutoring has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's convenient, flexible, and can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. You can tutor students of all ages, from elementary school to college and beyond. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students who need help in various subjects. You can set your own rates and schedule tutoring sessions that fit your availability. The earning potential in online tutoring can be quite impressive, especially if you specialize in high-demand subjects like math, science, or test preparation. But it's not just about the money. Online tutoring is a rewarding experience that allows you to make a real difference in the lives of your students. You get to help them succeed in their studies, build their confidence, and achieve their academic goals. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're looking to freelance, build an affiliate marketing empire, launch a dropshipping store, become a content creation superstar, or share your knowledge through online tutoring, there's an opportunity out there for you. Remember, success takes time, effort, and dedication. Don't expect to get rich quick. Focus on building a sustainable online business that provides real value to your audience, and the money will follow. Be patient, be persistent, and never give up on your dreams. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, and the only limit is your own imagination. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start exploring, and unlock your online earning potential.